Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Disney Plus on Google TV. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To activate Disney Plus on your Google TV, start by turning on your Google TV device. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. From the home screen, scroll down to find the Apps section. Select the Google Play Store from the list of options. In the Play Store, use the search function to find Disney Plus. Once you find the Disney Plus app, select it to open the app page. Click on the Install button to download the app to your device. Wait for the installation process to complete. After the app is installed, return to the home screen. Scroll to the Apps section again and locate the Disney Plus app. Select the Disney Plus app to open it. If prompted, sign in with your existing Disney Plus account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly in the app. Once you're signed in, you may see an activation code on your screen. Now, using a computer or smartphone, open a web browser. Go to the activation link provided on your Google TV screen. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV into the designated field on the website. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. Once activated, return to your Google TV. You should now have access to stream Disney Plus content. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies on Disney Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.